Welcome back to Emmanuel Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online. First of all, you just need to enter your Play Store app, which is it right here. Then you search for Clip Claps. This is it here. I've already installed it. You just need to enter the app, which is it right here. You can choose which of the three you want. Either you enter with your Gmail account, enter with your Facebook account, or enter with your phone number. So I'm going to put enter with Google. I entered with Facebook, so I'm logging in with my Facebook account. If you're a male, you can choose male or female. But I'm male, so I choose male. What the app is all about, you have to watch videos to earn money. So in the app right now. So you open your still open. So I want clap coins of 588. So I entered this mega spin, so I'm going to try my luck in this spin. So that's the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. That's how you watch videos and earn. This is my reward. 15 more coins. So that's how you do, just watch video and earn money from Clip Clap. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.